Here's a delicious vegetarian twist on bao, using tea-smoked watermelon in place of the traditional pork belly. Compressing the watermelon gives it the perfect texture to stand in for the protein in this dish. Start by preparing the watermelon. Peel the skin off, remove the rind, and cut the rind into a julienne using a mandolin. We'll use this later for our slaw. Cut the watermelon flesh into 2 by 4 by 4 inch slabs and place the slabs into a cryovac bag. Season the slabs with soy sauce and 5-spice powder in the cryovac bag. These slabs have been compressed in a vacuum sealer at 99%. Now we're going to smoke our watermelon. To make a smoker, line the inside of a pot or a pan smoker with aluminum foil. Mix together the tea leaves, rice, brown sugar, and star anise. Spread the tea mixture evenly on the foil. Place the pan on the burner, uncovered, and turn the flame to high heat. When the tea mixture begins to smoke and the rice begins to turn brown, set the compressed watermelon on the rack. Cover the pan, reduce the heat, and smoke for 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let stand for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and slightly cool the watermelon. Slice the watermelon into half-inch pieces. In a small bowl, mix together the mayonnaise and the sriracha sauce. In another bowl, combine the julienne, watermelon rind, carrots, daikon, and salt. Combine the spicy mayonnaise mixture with the slaw ingredients. Now we're ready to assemble our bao. Spread hoisin sauce on the inside of each hot steamed bun and place a slice of smoked watermelon and slaw on the inside. Garnish with cilantro and serve. Tea-smoked watermelon bao with pickled watermelon rind slaw. Enjoy this unique shared appetizer at your next party.